Okay, good morning. Today we are doing our first DMR, and I want to make sure that you all are aware how to do it digitally. The first thing that you need to do is watch the video that explains prime factorization on Edpuzzle. That should be a different link, a different activity for those of you that are at home working. Once you have watched that, you're going to look at this number, and you have probably seen it done using factor trees, in which case you're looking for prime numbers to break these into. So if I were doing this in a factor tree, this would be 10 factors into the two prime numbers 5 and 2. That means 5 times 2. And since those are both prime factorizations, your final answer would be 2 times 5. But guess what? You guys are typing it on the computer, so we have to learn how to do that. So in order to do that, you're going to click where it says type work here, and you're going to break it into the first step. In this case, that would be 2 space shift number 8 turns into the time sign. If you don't want to use that, it would be the X. So either way, you use this 2 times 5, or you can do 2 times 5. So that is the answer there. The next thing that you need to do is come down here and simplify this expression. And we worked on order of operations yesterday, so we need to make sure that we're doing it in the correct order. So you're going to click and change this work. What is the first thing I need to do? Parentheses, it's got a 3, nothing else in it. Exponents, nope. M multiply or divide. So in this situation, we need to do 18 divided by 3 first. So I'm bringing the 9 down because he did not change. But then I'm bringing down the step that I did do, which is 18 times 3. So the first step in this particular instance was 18 times 3, which turns into 6. Well, if it lets me type, it won't let me type. 6. Come on, 6. There we go. And then the last thing that you need to do is add those two together. You get 15. So the last thing that you have to do after you've done those is do the reflection. So your reflection sentences could be several things. When doing prime factorization, you will need to only have prime numbers. Okay, the reflection on this one, I used the order of operations, PEMDAS. Okay, and that's how you do it. Tomorrow you'll do this day, so on and so forth. And I will put these at the answer at some under DMR.